Hi, my name is RV. This is year 2026, and I'm so thankful about my physical health.
My name is Tessa, and I'm grateful to join my first birthday workshop in Korea. Grateful for my new stable job. So grateful to my family for always being there through my ups and downs in life. And also grateful for the new relationships built and for all my closest friends. Yay!
Yes, this is Emeline, and I am grateful for being able to work abroad, good health, safety protection, reliable and comforting community, and family intact.
Yay! Hello, my name's Eden. For this year, I'm thankful for the good health, guidance, and protection, for the happiness, and for working here in Cambodia, and for this community. Thank you so much. Happy New Year.
Hello everybody, Happy New Year. I'm grateful for this 2025, especially for myself and to God for the blessings that I've received. Well, not blessing actually, even financially. I'm grateful for my wife for always helping me, for the good health, and of course for the happy community that I have right now. These guys are my family now. Happy New Year, thank you very much.
Hi guys, Jerome here. I was grateful first time visiting Kampong Saum, Sihanoukville, first time ko. This is the first ever job that lasted for more than a year. First ever job, guys. Also, I was able to be a good provider to my family. I was able to maintain a good relationship with my wife for the whole year. And we kinda bought a condo unit. Also, bought my youngest sister a gadget like laptop and iPhone. Thanks God.
Hello, my name is Chan Tim. This year, I'm grateful to have a grandchildren or protect us, and also grateful to my family, and also I'm very grateful to my husband for everything to take care of me, and I'm grateful to my son, also grateful to my son and take care to my small family.
My name is Celine. I am grateful for a loving and understanding husband. Also thankful for a stable job, good health of my family, and lastly to the support of Filipino community here in Cambodia.
Hello everyone. For this year, thank you for all my experience. Also have made me grow and happiness, healthy in my family. I hope for next year, new year, I can get more blessing and good luck for all the time. So thank you so much.
Nhịខ្មែរខ្ញុំខ្មែរអរគុណខ្ញុំឈ្មោះមេសាហើយខ្ញុំចង់អរគុណពេលវេលាឆ្នាំ2025នេះបកប្រែដែលយើងដែលជាពេលវេលាមួយដែលធ្វើឲ្យប្រជាជនខ្មែរចេះស្រឡាញ់គ្នាហើយក៏អរគុណមនុស្សជាទីស្រឡាញ់របស់ខ្ញុំក្មេងតូចដែលលោកក្មេងបងគ្រប់ពេលឆ្នាំថ្មីនេះ2026យើងនឹងបន្តដំណើរទៅជាមួយគ្នាយើងនឹងសម្រេចក្តីសម័យជាមួយគ្នា2025ទៅ2026ខែ1ថ្ងៃ1អរគុណ
ចាំថាហើយអរគុណសម្រាប់ឆ្នាំចាស់ដែលបានជួយឲ្យពួកយើងទទួលបាននូវភាពជោគជ័យហើយសង្ឃឹមថាអ្វីដែលមិនល្អហើយលះបង់នៅក្នុងឆ្នាំចាស់បន្តទៅឆ្នាំថ្មីទទួលបាននូវសេចក្តីរីករាយក៏ដូចជាជោគជ័យនៅកម្រិតមួយដ៏ល្អជាងនេះថែមទៀតអរគុណ
Hello, my name is Sailai. យរួមអរគុណចំពោះឆ្នាំ2025ដែលធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំបានជួបនូវមនុស្សល្អៗជាពិសេសបងជួបបងអស់គ្នាហើយក៏មានអារម្មណ៍មួយថាខឹងនៅចុងឆ្នាំនេះមានសង្គ្រាមគិតថានឹងឆ្នាំថ្មីយើងនឹងឆ្នាំដែលល្អយើងប្រជាជនយើងនឹងជួបអ្វីដែលល្អហើយនឹងរីកចម្រើនតទៅមុខទៀតអរគុណ
Kunyong bat chumu Francis. I'm very grateful to the Japan, to my ancestors, to my family and wife, and I'm very thankful that I became a blessing for others.
Congratulations.